Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Can't
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tatiyonna Raelynn back with another video, and today I am doing a video on my everyday hair and makeup routine. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I just got out the shower and I wrapped my hair up, you know. So I am going to put my product in it. Woo, looking crazy, girl. I'm going to put my product in it. I'll show you guys the products that I use, and then I'm going to just do a quick little style. I use the As I Am. So this is the leave-in conditioner. And you can just get it from Sally's. Sorry, my ring light is like in the way. So put some of this in, girl. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. This how I'm wearing it. This is cute. I love this style. I love like just like bangs and then having like a little poof at the top. This is it, girl. This is it. That's the style for the day. Although I kind of feel like I should do my makeup first. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the makeup first, and then we'll come back to the hair. Now it's time to style this hair. I am using As I Am the curl defining cream. I'm going to put that in my hair, finish styling it, and I'll be right back. So the look is almost complete. We just need one thing. We need these hoops that will make this look poppin'. So I'm gonna put those in, and that completes our look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video.